Welcome to the Orders training session on Klari-T. An order can be created from the planning dashboard by selecting the Actions button and then selecting the New Order option. A new order window will appear on the screen. Additionally, bulk orders can be imported if necessary. This process will be described in a separate video. The type and priority fields default to order and normal respectively. These can be updated or changed as necessary. Priority options include high, low, or normal. Enter the external reference number. This number serves as a unique identifier within your organization and can be used to locate orders, such as a customer order number, product details, or customer information. Two optional reference number fields can be used to locate or identify created orders. Click on the Please Select a Customer field to choose a customer. You can find the customer by entering the account number or part of the customer's name. After selecting the customer, add a contact for the order by clicking on the Contact field. You can select a contact from the list or create a new contact if necessary. To add a new contact, select the New Contact option. This will open a new Add Contact window on the screen. Fields marked with a star are mandatory. Enter the first and last name of the new contact. Then, select the contact designation from the drop-down menu. Enter an email address and a mobile number. From the document distribution list, select the types of documents the new contact will receive via email, such as invoices, proof of delivery, vehicle tracking reports, etc. Toggle the Is Primary button if this contact is the main contact for the customer. To create the new contact, click the Add button. To discard changes and return to the new order window, click the Cancel button. The contact number and contact email fields will be filled in with the information of the selected contact. Click on the Please Select a Route field to enter the collection and delivery location for the order. Begin typing in the search field to find the route. You can enter any part of the route, such as the collection location, via location or delivery location. After selecting the route, the collection and delivery address fields will be updated with the start and end locations. You have the option to update the collection and delivery addresses for the order. Toggle the Multiple Collection and Delivery Points option if multiple collection or delivery locations need to be entered. Selecting these toggle buttons will add the collection or delivery fields to be entered in the product section. Click the Add button to start adding products to your order. Search for a product by entering the product number or description in the search field. Add or update the quantity of the product. Update the collection and delivery details of the product if multiple collection and delivery points were selected. Update the weight of the product. Add or update the dimensions of the product by selecting the Actions button and then selecting the Dimension option. The dimensions will be automatically displayed if it was specified during the product creation process. Enter or update the dimensions if needed. Choose the appropriate unit of measure, for example millimeters, centimeters or meters, from the drop-down menu. Click the Save button to save the entered dimensions. Adding multiple products to an order is essential when customers have various items, such as loose items, crates containing different goods, or multiple products that need to be transported together on the same order number. This ensures efficient management and invoicing of all items with the same order number. Add another product by clicking the Add button. A new line will be added to the product list. Follow the same steps as previously described to add the new product. To add a collection date, click on the clock icon on the right-hand side of the collection date field to open the date selector. Select the required collection date from the calendar. To update the time, use the up and down buttons to adjust the hour and minute settings. Once you have set the correct date and time, click the OK button to confirm your selection. You can follow the same process or steps to enter the delivery date. There are 3 types of instructions you can use: collection, delivery and special instructions. Enter the relevant instructions in their respective fields. These instructions will be printed on both the cover sheet and load confirmation documents. Once all information for the order has been filled out, click the Process button to create the order. To create the order and clear all fields for a new order, click the Process and New button. After successfully created, the order will appear in the Unplanned Orders section of the planning dashboard. To make changes to the order, right-click on it and select the View Order option. To view, add, or update the rates and sales items for the product, click on Actions and then select the Rates option. The rate for the product will be automatically inserted based on the price list set up according to the customer, route, and product. To make changes to the rate, click on the value in the Fixed Rate column and update it as needed. Click the Save button to save the updated fields. You can add additional sales items to the order by selecting the Additional Sales Items tab. Additional sales items may include packing materials, insurance, loading or offloading services, or other additional sales items. Click the Add button to add additional sales items. Search and select the needed additional sales item from the drop-down list in the Item field. Once selected, the other fields will populate automatically. If any of the fields are incorrect, you can update them. After making changes, click the Save button in the same line to save the updates, or select the Undo icon to cancel the changes. Click the Save button to save the details, or close to exit without saving. Direct costs or purchase orders can be created on the order for expenses such as storage costs, subcontractor services rendered, or any other purchase orders related to the order. To create a purchase order for the order, select the $sign next to the order number. Click the Add button. For the cost type, you can use the drop-down to search, or type directly in the field if you know it. Press the Tab button to move to the next field. Enter the supplier name or search from the list. Select a depot if applicable. Please select a product if it is relevant. Enter the quantity. Type in the VAT code or select it from the list. In the Type field, select Order. Press the Tab button until you reach the Rate field, and type in the rate. Click the Save button to commit the changes. Once saved, you can still change any fields or delete the line if needed. To create the purchase order, select the Issue button. This will automatically create a purchase order once saved and issued, provided you have the necessary user limits set up for your profile. Click the Close button to exit. Additional options, actions, and reports are available by right-clicking on the order on the planning dashboard. The order actions are also accessible on the top right-hand side of the screen when viewing the order details. You can use the Replicate option to make copies of an existing order with identical details such as customer information, route details, and products. To replicate an order, right-click on the order of your choice and select the Replicate option. A Replicate Order dialog box will appear. Enter the number of times you want to replicate the order in the provided field. You can also use the increase and decrease buttons at the field's end. After entering the required number of replications, click the Confirm button to proceed. If you wish to cancel the replication process, click the Cancel button. The system will create the specified number of duplicate orders. Once created, any changes to the replicated order, such as external reference numbers, can be made. Orders may need to be cancelled for various reasons such as changes in customer requirements, errors in order details, or logistical issues that prevent fulfillment. Navigate to the order you wish to cancel. Right-click on the order to display the order actions and select the Cancel Order option from the Actions menu. A confirmation dialog box will appear on the screen. Enter a reason for the cancellation in the provided field. This aids in tracking and managing the cancellation process quickly, ensuring visibility for other users. If there are any documents about the cancellation, upload them using the Attach Files option in the dialog box. This can include customer correspondence, order details, or any other relevant documents. Click the Cancel button to proceed with the cancellation. If you do not wish to proceed, click the Close button to abort the process. Once confirmed, the system will cancel the order and remove it from the Unplanned Orders section. To make a copy of the order, navigate to the order you wish to copy. Right-click on the order to display the order actions and select the Copy Order option. Copying an order will open the existing order in a new window. In this window, you may make the necessary changes to any of the fields, including updates to route details, collection, and delivery addresses. Once the required changes have been made, click the Process button to create the order. Thank you for following along on how to create orders. Feel free to refer back to this video anytime.